At Mr. Windows, we're all about solutions. We source items far and wide. We stock a vast array of parts in our factory, ready to ship out the door the next business day. Nothing is ever really obsolete because we create and 3D print parts. Those slots that you see are called weepholes, wind baffles or drainage slots, and many other things. When you are getting bugs through them, I'm sure you'll call them something quite different. We've covered the purpose of these weepholes before. If you're not sure, then check out our video title on YouTube, Why Do My Windows and Doors Have Holes? This particular customer could not get a tape measure in to measure what he needed because of the steps in the frame. So our simple solution was, take up a piece of paper, rub your finger around the slot to make a rubbing impression on the paper. Then get the ruler or tape measure out and measure the impression. Measurement done. Armed with these dimensions, you can now search the Mr. Windows site to find your part. If there is not one already, don't stress, we will make one, just like we did for our solution SKU 9908 or our special print SKU 13901. Looking for a solution for your windows and doors? Send us an image of your sliding window handle and your dimensions, an image of the slot, and the Mr. Windows team will do the rest to assist you. Remember, any images need to be in JPEG or PDF format. Once you send us an email, our system automatically acknowledges it and sends a response right back to you, so you know that we've got it in hand. Looking for solutions? Contact the Mr. Windows team or follow us on YouTube.
Subscribe to stay connected.